Hi everyone, this is Aftab and you are watching Aftab Forex YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for joining me. In this video, I'm going to analyze different currency pairs for the upcoming week starting from Monday, 13th February 2023. So, total 5 trading days, 13th till 17th February 2023. So tell me everyone, how is it going during the week? I have uploaded a few videos last week and I hope you must have booked some profits from those setups. Plus, thank you so much for your feedback that you gave me on my previous videos. But one thing I have noticed is most of you leave the video in the middle, so please watch these videos completely and I'm sure you will get very good trading setups, plus you will get good advices and the pro education for free. So today dollar CAD, dollar yen, euro dollar, dollar Swiss franc, pound dollar, Aussie dollar, US dollar, and yes, Aussie dollar, yen. Let's see a lot of currency pairs. If I have enough time, I will cover all of them. Otherwise, I will try to cover them in pairs like dollar CAD and dollar yen. I will try to cover them today. Let's see. First of all, right here in front of me is the dollar CAD chart, and dollar CAD these days is moving very nicely. If you can see on the screen right here, it almost moved 218 pips, and if you remember, I was trying to take a sell from 1.3532. So let me highlight the area. And since price never went up there, so any counter trend trades, they are closed, some of them in profits and some of them at break even. So at the moment on Friday the market dropped very badly, and if I show you this candle, this one, it clearly suggests a rejection of this candle, all of these candles during this entire range. If you see all of them, but market closed at a very key level as well, and I will be discussing that next. But first focus on this candle. Why or what happened right here that triggered dollar CAD to drop? I guess there was a CAD news as well last week, but I don't consider the fundamentals a lot, so I'm not sure what type of fundamental news that was. Market dropped very badly. Let's have a look at the H4, and here we have got a triple top right here, like one, then two, three, or around four, and then if I continue to the left, this is five, so around five levels, around like five tops or peaks I should say. But what I was saying is that the market closed at a very confusing level, because from here on the H4 it will clearly be giving me a bullish trade setup, remember, which will be completing at a price level from where sorry, from where I'm trying to take a sell trade. So a very, very interesting situation right here. Now, very interesting. Just pay close attention. Let me repeat once again. On the daily, what happened is, again, sorry, on the daily, what happened is the market was very smoothly going up, right? Like everyone was buying and putting money in the dollar against the CAD, putting money in the dollar against the CAD, and it was smoothly going up. Till then, everything was clear, right? But what happened on this candle? It was a completely misguided, I should say, type of candle. This one, if you see, the one on Thursday that closed. So, and here the market was about to gain bullish momentum. Here you see, here, this candle closed bullish. Then this one, a confirmation. This was the third confirmation. It dropped and it proved that this was a fake candle, and these were fake bulls right here in the market. They ran this whole entire range, right? So now obviously why it happened is, let me remind you my previous analysis, and that previous analysis is right here. And just see where this impulsive wave or this downward wave or this prediction is pointing. 1.2984. Let me highlight this area. So now I know my long-term reversal areas, right? Even let's say if it drop from here, and it will drop. Let me tell you one thing. If the market is driven slowly, it can take around this one, like from 19th December till around 2 months, and around 2.5 months, right? So 2.5 months. So this is February. So till March, or maybe till sorry, till March or till April, May, mid of April maybe. Price will be trying to approach as like it will be a bearish trend towards 1.3122 if the market is slow, remember. But currently the RSI situation right here that suggests it's like in the middle of nowhere. So the long-term plan, obviously, my long-term plan is to take a short from 1.3535. I have some sells from here. I have here different accounts I have. That's a very lengthy story in itself, which I will tell you some other time. But uh, this is one sell I'm looking for on the H4, maybe on Monday. If I get a very nice and beautiful pattern right here near this zone, then I will consider it for a bullish trade. Like, see, the RSI is already near. Here it's behind the webcam, 20.12. So it touched 20. Now nicely oversold condition right here. So very nice trade it is, very, very nice trade it is. But the thing is, it's too risky, right? That is like this counter trend trade is too risky. But if you are a counter trend trader, you can very easily take it. Personally, I will be looking for this sell trade, and this impulsive wave. If the market is going up, definitely I will be trading it to the top side from here, right? I will be trading it as a bullish during the week on my accounts on which I use intraday and scalping type of accounts which I have. So I like this will be, and during the upcoming week in the working days, I will be giving you the daily forecasts as well, which I did in the previous week as well. Though it is a little bit hard for me to recall all of the things, all of the analysis. I have to rewatch my videos and to communicate because I have to take these things as a stories. So very, very nice trade, and during the week I will be focusing on it. On the H1, if we see, market closed very, very, like, see, very, very bearish, I should say. But let's see on Monday what happens. Uh, the long term planning I have is dollar CAD, these legs which I have drawn, is still pointing down towards 1.2984. But then I will be also worried about the gold because technically gold is also showing me a sell trend, a change in trend. So it will be a very, very interesting story. And gold, remember tomorrow at this present time you are watching the video, you will get the gold analysis in complete detail. So if it happens, I will definitely be a bit worried for the gold because I have a lot of positions there. So anyways, at the moment, this is currently it's telling me, and market has to do it. Okay, no doubt this is in a rectangle, but market has to do it because this is a Fibonacci, and Fibonacci never leaves their levels unjustified. So this is the dollar CAD. Let's see, during the week I will be updating you about it further. Dollar yen, well, shall I go in much detail about it? Let's see. This is very, very simple. A very simple plan. I in the pre on 25th January, I guess, I discussed it. I gave a buy from 127.24 that triggered without getting negative against us and is currently going up. What I'm initially, I will be considering it for a sell if 134.26 I get sort of rejection from this zone right here. So CAD is yen, dollar yen is very, very simple to trade. And if I see on the daily, like, dollar is going down against the CAD, so it should go down against the yen as well. There is a very, very tricky story right here. Let's see. I'm giving no forecast for this pair for this week. I will be mainly bullish unless I get a close below 127.24, and I will consider for some sell trades near 134.26. And if the close happen, let me graphically show you. If this happens, from here I will be going bullish. If this happens, let's say if I get a candle like this at this zone, like this, what will be my action? A sell towards maybe this, or maybe this trend line, let's see. And then I will be obviously focusing, maybe the story can be this much. This is the whole game of volume, right? Because we cannot predict the volume. How will an analyst know that tomorrow there is going to be a lot of volume? Other than fundamental activities, which I am not interested to trade, because in fundamental, what happened? The market suddenly drops. And after all, when you see the market, it retraces back to its own level and it continues its Fibonacci. I have like several examples I will give you, right? So, for example, this candle, it dropped. Maybe it could be a news. I'm not sure. So it dropped and boom, it recovered and it will continue its up ride maybe till 134. So 134 is a very key level. right? So nothing much to discuss in the dollar yen. Euro US dollar, we are holding a sell position from up there. I was trying to add some more positions to 1.0919. Market never went up there and it dropped. So if it dropped, obviously from there I have said that market is going to retest 1.06. All of my videos are on my channel. Find some time and have a look at those videos. So a very tiny setup, and that is showing me a break above. Now this is the Fibonacci, okay? 1.0664 in the upcoming week seems a nice buy level. But just like in my previous videos, the market is trying to take a curve, like curve if you see. And obviously this candle, the one that closed, this one. So let's see. 1.0617 is also my level. And in the upcoming week, it's obviously like euro. Let me give you the bigger plan. Euro is showing me a drop towards 1.01 once again. 1.01 once again, remember. So on the daily, it shows a buy. Well, okay, that will be the perfect trade if there is a very big if. If market go up, don't worry about the messy chart. I'm going to delete the Fibonacci. Okay, I got it. What I'm going to do is, if the market go up to 1.08 this time, I want to adjust that, okay? I was trying to take a sell from 1.09, but now I want to take it from 1.0878 somewhere. Because obviously market is going to, like, it's showing me a drop of 471 pips. I don't want to miss this. So maybe on Monday the image will be further clear to me, but let's see. Let's see maybe if I can get a range right here. But euro no doubt is clearly showing me a down move. A very nice and beautiful down moves towards 1.01. Let me actually draw that like this and like this. At least till now so far it's showing me this. Maybe during the week if something happens, who knows. But remember this 1.0823 or 25, this is going to be a very nice sell opportunity during the upcoming week. With a stop of 231 pips, you can easily generate 650 pips, right? So this is the euro US dollar for the upcoming week. Let's see dollar Swiss franc. From here we are bullish and this is the setup. Let's have a look at the weekly. Okay, it just lifted from this support. Well, dollar Swiss franc is clearly showing me 0.9736. Now it depends upon the market. 0.9379, let's see, I have discussed it. 9379 is this wave. So in the upcoming week, dollar Swiss franc, I see it bullish at least maybe till 54 pips further, or maybe, oops, 148 pips. So let's see. I'm bullish from here and I'm looking for 228 pips. Like, see, the Fibonacci strategy is not very complicated. It's very simple. It gives you some levels. You draw ABCD pattern on them. You find support and resistance with that. And that's easy, because later you ask me in the comments that okay, it's technical or something. So if you want to be a master of it, you have to practice it a lot and a lot. Like if I show you, I have covered this lamp with it for now, but if you see, even I take printouts of it. Sometimes, like, or most of the times, you have to focus on the markets and you have to read these charts, you have to find these structures. You cannot trade blindly. There is a lot of effort going on between these levels. Remember, I have written strategy, and step by step, when everything combines together, I draw the levels and then I present it right here. So these are not just ordinary levels. Like, see, this I already knew in advance. Watch my video, 96 pips. Is it like $10 per pip, $960? How much of you watched that video? Around 200 viewers. So 200, if half of them traded it, so 100,000 dollars you like setup I gave to all of you. So sometimes you have to look at things with a very different angle, and especially if you are a forex trader, you have to keep your mind vast to new ideas, to new setups, to new techniques. This is the technique I use since 2016, and it has never ever disappointed me. Never ever. I have around 500, maybe, or maybe more than that, or maybe some 20, 30 less than that, videos in my channel. Go back, watch it, and just compare it with the market. This strategy can change all of your trading life, but dedication, practice, hard work, and time, these things are very much important in order to understand these things. Everything I'm sharing it right here is the pro stuff, and I'm giving it to you for free. So Swiss franc, obviously, 9379. There was one other setup, I think, on pound dollar, which I was about to trade. Pound dollar at the moment is giving me two setups for higher time frame for weekly traders. I'm a seller from here. I have discussed it in the video. 468 pips it was giving me. At the moment, it's 379 pips up. Some counter trades on other accounts I took, and I think that is hit with break-even stop. Here I executed and here it closed. So this is, I predicted 1.1943 in one of my video. Now in that video I said if this happens, it should go up, make a top. It made a top, we took a sell. Market is coming down and is approaching 1.1134. Very nice setup. So any of you who are stuck from right here, mark my words, 1.1163. I cannot tell you if it will happen in 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but it will happen. The actual like this is valid unless price give me a close above this level. From here, if it go 500 negative from here, it's gone, right? Otherwise, it should go down 911 pips. If someone of you want to sell it, obviously you can on Monday, maybe on Tuesday. Wait for this level 1.2262, and you can easily take a sell trade during the week. Plus, here is a very nice ABCD pattern completion pointing up there. Nice. Okay. Now, if you see this level, it will be a Fibonacci 61.8. Now if you want to trade 92 pips, you have to take at risk, but you can generate 226 pips, and that is a sure sell trade as well. Personally, I'm planning for this one, so let's see if I get it. I will notify you about that. So very nice pound dollar sell opportunity during the upcoming weekend, a buy opportunity as well. Plus, if it go negative, stops obviously will be right here. So it will try to make a bottom right here, but if it hit the stop loss, let it go. Let this counter trend trade go and just leave this open in that case, this sell trade. So that will be super perfect, super nice. Aussie dollar, US dollar, I have discussed it. I gave this sell trade and it should be 88 pips up till now. So far, personally, I did not trade it because I was stopped out right here on a sell trade on a lower time frame right here. I took a sell trade and I was stopped out right here. See, by very just by 20 pips, I took a sell trade from here, and what happened was giving me nice profit. It dropped 251 pips, but I gave 20 pips from my pocket. But it's okay. Then another sell from here. Even I discussed this one in one of my video last week. So at the moment it is ranging. I don't want to talk much about it, but for the long term, I think it's dropping towards 6541. So if you have any trade stuck from there, there are still hopes left. You know, in Forex, if you manage your equity properly, the trades are going nowhere. If it is negative for 5 6 years, still it's not going anywhere. You will be charged a very less spread as a commission per day or maybe per week, and that's it. Per day, I guess that is. So if you manage your equity, and it cannot take 6 years, okay? The trade which took me most of the time was or more of the time to close was, I guess that was on gold. One day I will share that with you. 1.5 year it took, and then like 1.5 year it took, but to hit this take profit, right? To hit the take profit. So these are the things and techniques that I give you in these videos, and I'm sure you will be following me regularly, and you will take part in the daily forex forecast videos as well, because there, if you follow me on the daily chart, you can master your price action skills, and you can further learn some more skills, some more patterns. Every trader has a different pattern, just like a cricket. Every bowler bowl the different way. Every batsman is different than another one. Even these five fingers are different than another one. So I have my own system since 2016, and it's working very nicely, and that's it. So these were the currency pairs, and it was the weekly forex forecast video for the upcoming week, 13th Feb till, let me double check again, 13th Feb till 17th Feb 2023. I hope all of you makes lots and lots of profits. If you do, let me know in the comment section down below. This is kind of like a making a day type of comments. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you next time. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.